Want to talk about the wedding?
The wedding. Yeah, I'll be glad when that be over.
That's almost as bad for a guy.
Yeah, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work.
We worked every day. Volunteers, helpers, donation from the flowers, the photographer. I mean, the whole 9 yards of the wedding was donated, even the gown. I was getting a tooth pulled at a dentist here in Memphis. No idea where I was. And the dentist, the head lady who was doing the dental work, had her good friend in there that was getting her teeth cleaned for her wedding. Just so happened to have 2 gowns. And it didn't have to be sized or altered. We were the same size, and I just fit right on in like a glove.
I've been running, trying to get things together. It's hard work to set up a wedding. But the people here is really doing the hardest work. I mean, they've been beautiful about everything. I mean, because they came up with the idea to give us the wedding. And they found out that we were going to get married before the storm. And the storm ruined everything, so they decided to take it upon themselves to give us one. And I really appreciate that.
It was just like a dream come true. Everything that I needed, everything that I wanted fit in perfect. I just wanted to go home. Nothing really mattered. Mm-hmm. But after seeing for a while these little kids, little girls taking their time to bring their old game cartridges and TV to make sure that my kids was able to be the way they were at home. As I was coming down Spain just to see my house, 2 to 3 blocks away, I can see that the door was wide open. Before I got there, it was laying flat on the ground. And as I walked through the door, the hardwood floors, I had hardwood floors, buckled up about 2 feet high.
All the years we worked hard and achieved the things that we got is gone in one day.
At that point, it became very emotional for me, so I just went on out because I didn't see that there was anything that I can salvage. We don't have time to be sad, so that's something to take the sadness away from what we're going through and make it a happy time. I decided to keep forward with the wedding because it's something I've always dreamed of, something positive and something that I think I should have done a long time ago.
Mr. and Mrs. Irvin Broyard.
Through these trying years, we gonna both physically change the door. Yeah, so don't waste your time. Don't worry about the small things that ain't relevant to me. Try to understand it, you're all I wanted.
Take it out of there, too.
Hey, can I get a shot of you guys, all right? Move back here with me, all right? Uh-oh.
There it comes.
Ready?
Ready.
What are you doing?
Payback. Here it comes. Kiss. Kiss. Good job, guys.
Oh, boy, that wasn't fun. Tonight, for me, has been one big dream come true. Out of everything that me and my family and families around has been through, I chose to keep this moment alive because I figured at a time of a hard time would be a better time to do something so happy. And there was a lot of people that made this moment, I should say fairy tale moment, come true. And I thought it was best that I show my appreciation also.